My name is Kefa. I'm giving a lot of thanks to Mr. Pius, founder member of KISWATE, for giving us tools that we will work in the shamba to bring food on the table, and also keep us to give us a job that make us busy all the times, and we can also get something that we can put in the pocket. Thank you very much.
My name is Haruna Akinyi. I'm very grateful to KISWATE founder Mr. Pius Odhiambo for giving us an opportunity to work on the shamba so that we can get something to put on the table. Thank you. My name is Ravina Chieng. I'm grateful to Mr. Pius for bringing us tools that we will use to work on the shamba for us to get something to put on the table. Thank you. My name is Monica Otieno. I am grateful to KISWATE Foundation, Mr. Pius, for giving us tools that will help us to work hard in the farm and give us something that we can do. These tools can also help us to get food on the table. Thank you.
My name is Frederick Odhiambo. I am grateful to Mr. Pius Odhiambo, KISWATE Foundation, that give us job on the shamba, jembe and a shamba to work on the shamba, that give us food to put food on the table. Thank you.